welcome all of you. We are on ahead to start a new session today on the topic. One is we will cover Fleming's left hand rule we are doing. So I will try to apply this Fleming's left hand rule to motor. Good evening, Kapil. So, and one more thing that we are studying electricity chapter also. Okay, so where there we have covered series, parallel, and these things we have done. Last time in electricity, you know which topic we were doing? What topic it was going in electricity in the last class? All of you forgot.
Series and parallel combination.
After that also I had text session. After series parallel, what was the last topic that I had taught?
Fleming's left hand rule.
Fleming's left
In
hand.
electricity, bacha, in electricity.
Heating effect of electric current.
I was discussing about power, right? Power equal to work by time. I was discussing now. So power equal to V into I has come, right now. So first in this part, I will discuss some of the parts of heating effect of electric current, right? Then in the second part, I will start with that magnetic field, okay? So start with electricity, and I will take 10 to 15 minutes for this, okay? So when I talk about electricity, what are the basic formula we must know? Let me know. What are the basic formula that we must know?
I equals to Q by T.
So V is equals to IR.
E equal to IR, I equal to Q by T. Then जो बोल लिया वो नहीं बोलेंगे. Next other also. Okay. I equal to Q by T. Then
V equals to IR.
then
I is equal to P upon R.
I equal to
Sir, P is equal to P upon W by T.
Okay. Then
Sir, heat K. H is equal to I square RT.
H equal to I.
H is equal to R square
Then
T by
resistance
R is
formula.
equal to rho into L by A.
Right. R equal to rho into L by A. Right. Then Ohm's law. You forgot all.
V equals to IR.
Then any other formula that we are still missing?
Power.
What is the formula, Mansi?
Power equals to VI.
Power equal to VI. Any other formula of power except P
Yes,
equal to
sir.
VI? Then
Sir, I square R and V square by R.
I square R, then
And V square by R.
V square by R. So that we have discussed. Okay. So all thing is getting recorded and everything is available on the YouTube channel Prakash Soni Oda class. Okay. And there is one, if you are comfortable in Hindi, then you can also check a website, channel e-Shiksha Kendra that I used to put videos during lockdown. So if you are comfortable in Hindi, then you can check this. Okay. So now, moreover, if you want to connect with me on Instagram, not so active, you can search me there as Prakash KR Soni. So now come to heating effect of electric current. Okay. Heating effect of electric current. Anyone have basic idea of this thing? How we can start this topic? Heating effect of electric current. Heating effect of electric current. Any idea about this? How this topic come? ये टॉपिक आया ही क्यों? हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. Dev?
When electrons strike with the molecules of the metal, they produce a heat on striking with them.
Okay. Any other? All of you know that, you know all na resistors, we know na? Resistors, all we know. For suppose, here is a battery, and this one is the symbol of, this one is the symbol of, this one? Resistance. Right? So, resistance, jahan bhi resistance hota hai, wherever there is resistance, there will be an heating effect, right? Heating effect. So all of you know that if even wire get heated, if I like leave a wire of high voltage on high voltage, For suppose, you know, the wires, Hana, whose thickness is more, even these wire get heated in long time. You all know this thing?
Yes.
If there is some wire which is very thick, okay, and let current pass through them for hours and hours, even they get heated, right? It means only this resistance cannot, Hana, resistance is going to produce some heat, but this wire also has some resistance. Any circuit, you know, this battery also, na, even you see, you have like a battery in your home, na, induction, like what I can say, inverter batteries at home you have.
Yes.
Have you checked वो hours to hours जब work करते तो वो भी heat up हो जाते हैं, right? So every electrical equipment, every electrical equipment, कि कोई भी electrical equipment हो, if you give more time ना, after some time ना, they will get heated, वो heat up हो ही जाएगा, ठीक है ना? So what my point is that heating effect, है ना, we have to calculate that what amount of heat is generating. What is the unit of heat? You all know? Unit of heat.
So joules.
Hey, so silence. All of you must know, na? Joule. Joule is the unit of
Heat.
heat. I'm not asking so much big question. So now my point is, I come to know if there is some current going on in a electrical component, either it is a resistance, even a wire, anything, that electrical energy, some of the electrical energy get converted into heat energy, right? For suppose in a circuit, you want to convert, this one is a bulb, okay? This one is a bulb, okay? So what this battery will do? Battery will provide what this battery will provide?
Voltage.
Potential difference, right? This work is to provide potential difference. And if it will provide potential difference, current will start flowing in this, right? So if the current will flow in this, so definitely heat will generate. Okay, even in wire also, even in bulb also. If you see, Hana, if you touch this bulb, it will be very hotter, right? So what my point is, this heating effect is dependent on first is current, okay, and even square of the current. For suppose in your question, in your what it means, heat, Athirat, if your question asking heat is directly proportional to I square, what it mean? I'm giving you a question. All of you ready for the question? I do what now? For suppose a 10 ampere of current is flowing in a wire, okay? A current of 10 ampere is flowing. Now, if I double this current to 20 ampere, how much times will heat increase?
2
It
times.
will also be double.
Sir, double.
I said square
Yes,
से
sir.
बढ़ता है. I said square से बढ़ता है.
Double ही होगा sir.
When it was 10 ampere, then heat will be what? Heat is approximately 100. 10 square is 100.
Yes, sir.
10 square is 100. Now, if I take 20 ampere, then heat will be what?
400.
400. Getting this thing, I'm actually want to realize you this importance. Heat is directly proportional to I square. Square से बढ़ता है. Okay. Now, next point. Remember, this one is the first point. Next. Heat is directly proportional to resistance. Resistance, right? For suppose I double. For suppose earlier the resistance was 10 ohm. Now it is 20 ohm. Okay. So what will be the change in the heat?
It will be also double.
Right. Directly proportional. If resistance will increase, heat will also increase. This one is the second fact. Now, I was telling na, जैसे time pass on होगा, then resistance, then heat will also increase, right? So heat is directly proportional to time. If I'm for suppose current is flowing for 1 hour and heat is generating for suppose 100 joule. So if I pass for 2 hours, then how much heat will?
200 joule.
200 joule. Very clear. Directly, I just want to make you clear what it means. So I realize that H is directly proportional to I square, equation 1. You can write the statement in the examination, okay, that heat is directly proportional to current square. Second statement, H is directly proportional to resistance, second equation. And the third equation is heat is directly proportional to time, that is third
Time.
equation. Now you will write H is directly proportional to combining these three. I can write I square RT, or I can say H equal to K into I square RT. Here K value is 1. So H equal to I square RT. You must remember this formula as question will come on this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So should I give you a question?
Yes, yes.
I want
Yes,
to
sir.
know answers in the chat box. Okay. Let's see who is the fastest. Okay. So I gave time equal to 1 minute, resistance equal to 5 ohm, current I equal to 20 ampere. What will be the value of heat? In the chat box, give me the answer. Maximum I will give 45 seconds. Gautam, tell the answer. Tell me directly answer.
So 2000 joule.
Okay. Others. There must be some.
2000.
120 kilojoule, Kapil. Okay. Type, if you are getting your answer, type it in the chat box. Okay. 12,000 joule, 2 kilojoule, 2000 joule. Okay. Done. Lavanya. Okay. Okay. Other bache, all are silent. Many are silent, right? Avishi 2000 joule. The formula is in front of you. I square RT. Then you are also not doing. Tanya, Avishi. Okay. Naveen. Okay. Kirnika. Okay. So 2 answers are coming definitely, right? So we have to understand that heat equal to I square RT. Now 2 more answers. Okay. Nandini 2000 joule, Ashna 2000 joule. Okay. So heat equal to I square RT. So current is what? I value is what? I value is 20. Ampere is SI unit, right? So no issue. So 20 square into what is the value of resistance? Ohm. I can mention it milliampere, and this thing can be done in exam. Into what is the value of time? 1. Okay.
60
Is it okay
seconds.
to put 1 here?
60.
No, sir. 60 seconds.
Definitely. I cannot put 1
60
minute.
seconds.
Minute is not a SI unit. I should put in seconds. So it is 1 minute equal to 60 seconds.
seconds.
So 20 square is 400 into 5 into 60. So answer will be 4, 5, 20 and 20 into 6. 20 into
12,000 joules.
120.
joules and 120 kilojoules.
It is okay? Joule?
Yes, sir.
And if I want to convert
Yes,
into kilojoule, it will be what?
Sir, 120.
Divided by
120 kilojoules.
1000, right?
1000.
120 kilojoule. So many were on 2000 something like that. Easy peasy burger question I was asking. ठीक है, तब भी mistake हो रहा है. You must have your SI unit. ठीक है? All of you? Okay. So now it's easy now. Now let us discuss on your camera. Let us discuss.
Yes, sir.
So now the question will come in your examination. Can you name a device which is based on heating effect of electric current? Kritika, you are asking.
Iron, electric iron.
On your camera and talk, bacha, है ना? हाँ, tell me. Any device which you know in your house which is based on heating effect of electric current?
Sir, induction.
हाँ, then all of you know about geyser, हाँ,
Geyser, sir.
हाँ,
Geyser.
Microwave ovens.
microwave
Oven.
ovens. In microwave, actually, energy is converted into microwaves, right? So now, all of you know about, actually, I want to come to your book. That is the point, heater, huh? Fuse, right? Fuse. All of you know about fuse?
Yes, sir.
Where you can see that,
Yes.
see this fuse?
In bulbs.
electric bulb.
In the
So
electric bulb.
I'm coming to exam question that fuse wire, है ना? You all have seen in your board, right? In somewhere like that, है ना? Fuse. Okay. So what is exactly the fuse? Whenever current will be higher, see this formula, H equal to I square RT. If anyhow current will become large, suddenly in your home now current become 300 ampere, right? So what will happen? All your electrical devices, freezer, cooler, dishum, right? It will be Diwali on that day, right? So how we can save this? Hana? So see, H equal to H is directly proportional to I square. I was telling, square se increase karta hai, right? See this thing. I was telling this thing, na? This one. Let me go. This one I was telling, na? 10 ampere to 20 ampere. See, this heat is becoming 100 to 400. So fuse is working on that. Whenever in a fuse, the current increases, so heat will increases from square. So this fuse wire, na, the fuse wire has, anyone know about the properties of the fuse wire?
Fuse wire has high melting point.
High
Low
melting
melting point.
Low
Low
melting
melting
point.
point.
And
And it has low resistance.
low resistance.
Sir, when the current is high, it melts and break the circuit.
Okay, so it must have property of low melting point then.
Low melting point.
Okay, so it must have low melting point. When the current will increase, definitely heat will increase so much. And this heat will do what? It has already low melting point. Definitely what will happen? It will?
The fuse
Melt.
will melt.
It
It will
it
break.
will
definitely.
melt.
And
Okay,
break
fine.
the circuit.
We can do this question in exam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So now, we should move to, for now, we should move to our next chapter. That is what I was doing. Electromagnetic induction. No. I was doing that chapter now.
Magnetic field.
Magnetic
No,
effect of
magnetic.
electric current. है ना?
Magnetic.
Yeah. So just a second. So I'm stopping this recording and starting a new recording. Okay, from